got one. I got one. Just trying to catch some little pinfish over here. He's a little too big for bait, but a little too big for bait. But this is your classic pinfish. Ow. And that's why they call them pinfish, because they'll stick you. I don't know how a fish caught these. How fish bite these. I caught my biggest trout out here with one of these, but he's about half that size. I get one about half that size, I'm gonna fish with him. Trying to get a little pinfish here for bait. He's on it, he's on it, he's on it. I got him, I got him. Ooh, it's a pretty good fish. I got one, I got one. Aha. There. Not a pinfish at all. He's one of those ones I was catching last time. I don't know what they are. I think they might be a type of a grunt or a type of a snapper, but they do have teeth. So you gotta be a little careful. They're pretty fish. I wish they got big. If anybody knows what that is, comment. It's a grunt or a snapper or something. All right, let me check my other poles. So there he is, he's pinfish. That's the catch of the day there. Got one. Look at here. A little lucky he gets again. But this time it's not a pinfish. It's just a mixed bag down there of everything. That's a regular freshwater brim. Bluegill, buddies, look there. Look at that spot he's got on his tail. That's kind of rare. Ooh, this one's a little fierce. A little lucky. Now that one gave me a little bit of a fight there. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, I still ain't caught one small enough to fish with. Like I said, if I was going to stay because I'm running out of shrimp, I'd cut these jokers up. GoPro stop recording. Maybe so small I don't see it. Yeah, he does see it. And I got him. I got him. I got him. Hey, this is a better fish. I got him. Don't you. Don't you. He's a strong little fish. Again, I don't know how a fish, I guess they swallow them head first. I don't know how they actually get them down without hurting their throat. Lucky. That felt good, boy, when I set the hook on that 8-pound test, that tiny little pole. So that was a good sized fish there, a little lucky. Well, fish friends, got out here, gave it my best shot today. It's super windy. I was not even going to fish today because of rain, and the northeaster was supposed to come in, but I saw it was delayed a little, so I came out here and I gave it a shot. But it sure was nice to come out here and spend a little time. Look how beautiful it is. It's beautiful. Just natural Florida. Absolutely love it. So until next time, fish friends, keep fishing.